Good morning to all. As you already know that we are starting your Viva from this lab and you need to present your PPT and give the presentation of your 4 case studies and demo of your tools. And as I can see the classroom, some of the 8 students are still remaining to upload the report. So make sure by the end of today, they need to submit it. Otherwise, it will affect to your marks because if you are submitting late, then definitely it is affecting to your marks. So keep in mind that before the end of today, the students who are remaining to upload the report, just upload it right now, okay, or before the end of today. Now, how we go ahead with the Viva. So this group who are ready with their teammates, what they need to do is they need to write the enrollment number dash the entire name of the teammates in one message. Okay, in one message, you need to write it down all the 3 or 2 members dash enrollment number. And once you are ready, you just write it down so that in that sequence, I will take your Viva. Okay, so ask your teammates to join quickly. Switch to your laptop so that you can present your screen in better way. And I'm giving you 2 minutes to switch to the system. And the students who are ready, they can write their names in the chat box. Just a second, students. Yes, Janish. Okay, I'm expecting that the students are ready to give their presentation. Write your enrollment number, then we can start.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anand.
At my home there is power cut off, so my laptop is dead. So my teammate will be presenting, and I can give like that. He
Anand,
will
just a
share his
second.
screen.
Just a second. I just disconnect. Can you repeat?
At my home there is power cut off, so my laptop has no battery. So my teammate will share the presentation.
Yes, that is your call. Like one student can present the screen and then after you unmute yourself and you can speak up. That is fine.
Okay, so
Not
for demo
individual
of
student.
tools, so
Okay, so in for the demo, you have a screenshots.
yes, in report.
So, okay, so from that I will ask the questions and you need to go ahead with the steps. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm just joining within 2 minutes, so just wait. Then after we will start. Okay, students.
Okay, students.
Okay. So the students who are ready with their group mates, just write it down your enrollment number in the chat box so that we can start. Otherwise, I will pick up the students randomly. So, Anand, your group is ready? Okay, Anand and Michelle. Okay, fine. So we are starting with you guys. Only two member are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we are starting with your group. You can present your screen and make sure it should complete within like 20 minutes because some groups are taking around 30 to 35 minutes. So make sure you just complete it within 20 minutes. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The groups who are ready, just write it down, your enrollment number dash name also. Okay, Path group is ready. Vachan group is ready, fine. And your evolution is started. Okay, based on your presentation, you will get the Viva marks. And regarding report, I'm checking the report. So if you get some comments, just do some modification and then re-upload it. Okay. So maybe if you get the comment, then a modification is required. If you don't get the comment, then it is fine. So from that, you will get the term book marks. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Can I share screen?
Yes, Anand, you can. Okay, your screen is visible. Go ahead.
Good morning, ma'am. Our topic is four case studies on first is on wireless keyboard. In wireless keyboard. The wireless keyboard works on
Just
uh,
a second. I mean, just
yes
go to the presentation mode.
presentation. Okay, sorry.
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
In wireless keyboard, it allows user to communicate with PC or tablet with the help of radio frequency like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And nowadays, keyboard comes with wireless mouse. Working of wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard is based on infrared technology, where it uses light waves to transmit to other infrared devices. Nowadays, keyboards are working on 2.4 gigahertz radio frequency. In wireless keyboard, basically there is one receiver and a transmitter. Radio transmitter is in keyboard, uh, fitted by company, and the radio receiver is used like a small pen drive looking like, and can be attached to USB port. And after that, that it can computer can connected by cable. Wireless keyboard has advantages like it can be taken anywhere without much at small place also. There are no wires. Disadvantages are reduced functionality means when you if a person has much more speed of typing, but in a wireless keyboard you typed 100 words, but it can uh, somewhat seconds back in display. And configuration is like wired keyboard will be directly used, and wireless keyboard takes bit seconds more than wired keyboard. And in wireless keyboard, batteries are needed. And if a good keyboard is there, then we can use 2A batteries approximately for 1 month. Benefits are there are store less space on desktop, means there will be no wires in wireless keyboard. My second case study is on electric engine. Electric engine is powered by electricity, which can be provided from overhead line or by provided by uh, pole that is connected and to the nearby rail. Electric train engines mainly works like the power line goes above the train, which will be attached to a conductor when train moves, and it take power from that overhead line or that near third lane, and it will be passed to the engine and train works. Advantage of electric train can be for used for more long distances and give more speed, especially if we compare that diesel engine train or a backward steam engine train. It can be eco-friendly also. There will be less, very less air pollution compared to diesel engine, and it has more life compared to diesel engine. Maintenance will be less in electric locomotive. Disadvantage can be there can be any short circuit, or if less power or more power is supplied to the electrical parts, then if you are charging a laptop or any digital devices, then it can harm or can damage the product. Now my friend will say about it. more case studies.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. My
Okay.
topic is electric car.
Good morning.
This topic is taken because uh, there is a demand of electric cars right now, and it is a new concept in the industries, automotive industries. Uh, this car, first the normal cars, pollutes more emission gases and affect the atmosphere, natural atmosphere like pollution and greenhouse gases. In that cases, these electric cars they help the environment for the step forward. The electric cars have more batteries than the regular gasoline cars because they have removed the gasoline and they have attached the batteries in that. It is a there are types of electric cars, two types: plug-in electric and plug-in hybrid. In plug-in electrics, it means it is purely electric. It does not needs the diesel or petrol in that. In plug-in hybrid, it needs the both. It when the electric fuels out of charge, so we can use the diesel or petrol over there. How electric car works. Uh, First of all, we have to charge the batteries so that electric car can work very perfectly. And they store the electricity in the rechargeable batteries that can give the power to the electric motors, which turns the wheel. The electric cars accelerate very faster because they have inserted the more batteries and they have removed the gasoline can. That's why the car becomes very lighter. Next. These are the material used in the battery cells, uh, battery packs, and electric motors. Next, the advantage of a electric car are there is no need of the gas required in the electric car because we are using the batteries over there. Second, it reduces the noise pollution and the air pollution also because we are using the electric car, so there is no need of the diesel and petrol over there, and it drives very smoothly and it gives a higher acceleration. And no emissions means it is 100% eco-friendly, so we can use them, and it does not emit the toxic gases or smokes in the environment. So it runs our environment very clean. These are the disadvantages. As we know, that is the electric car, so we have to charge them. So there is a very less point rechargeable point, and the battery replacement. There is depending on the uses of the battery, and we have to change the battery every 3 to 10 years. And the recharge time of the electric car is it takes 4 to 6 hours, and sometimes it take a fully day to charge the electric car. The electric car improves the charging infrastructure, improves the intelligent electric car specific display, improves the environment, reduces the emission, and the maintenance of that car is very low. My next topic is eco-friendly house. In this, as we know, it is made of what we can say natural materials. It reduces the carbon footprint and lower its energy. The eco-friendly house are all using the renewable energy resources and uses natural materials. The eco-friendly house types are earth ships, earth sheltered house, and airtight house. In earth ship, we that house are created in such a way that they take the that is built totally natural, and surrounded that we have the foods, plantation of foods, and we harvest the water rain by the rain. And earth sheltered houses are created uh, into the hills of the mountain or inside the caves that are built in such a way. Airtight houses are such that they are taking the sunlights from the windows and it stores inside the house and it not let the energy heat energy goes outside, so we can get more warm in this winter season. Next, these are the material used in the eco-friendly house. There are bamboo, straw bales, reclaimed wood, recycled plastic, reclaimed or recycled steel, and cheap wool. The advantages of eco-friendly house is better health because all the materials are used naturally and safety materials, so we can get the more health benefits. The second is the maintenance. It is not required frequently maintenance of the house because we only need to just paint annually the house, and as a result, the time and money are saved. Indoor air quality, the quality of air is improved. This is because the health and natural material are used in the process, such as using the wind, solar power, and instead of charcoal. These are the disadvantages. First is cost. For the first time, we have to when we are building the eco-friendly house, it's going to be expensive because we are using all the materials, natural materials, and after that we are getting the energy saving possibilities. The second is green construction is not suitable for all locations. We have to check the all locations before conducting the eco-friendly house. The time to build the greenhouse structure is more time is needed because it is difficult to find the materials needed. In most cases, the client end up delaying the constructions. Benefits as mud is a bad conductor of heat because when the outside temperature is more than the temperature inside the mud, so we can feel cooler in the mud house. Whereas in winter, the outside temperature is less than the temperature inside the mud, so we can feel warmer in the mud house. Thank you.
Okay. Which are the tools that you are exploring?
One tool is deoxygen, and other is KMS key generator.
Okay, and another?
Yes, two tools, deoxygen and KMS generator. Key generator.
Okay, fine.
In KMS generator, these three are used in terminal. In my PC only there was activate Windows, but I have used this and it has gone. So screenshot are at the phone. For
Okay,
if you use this command prompt, then first you have to run as administrator, and first you have to write this command with the key. Mine was
okay.
Windows 10
Just
Pro.
zoom it.
Yes.
Zoom it. Okay, fine. Go ahead.
So mine was Windows 10 Pro, so I have find out 5 to 6 keys because if one not work, then second can be used. So I have done it, and it prompt like successfully. So you have to write second command, which is provided in that website only, and you have to just paste it, and you have to run it enter, and then it again successfully prompted. So you can go for third step, and in third step, just you have to write forward slash 51. Then you can see the prompt is product activated successfully, and that activate windows has come.
Okay, fine. What is the limitation of that tool?
Limitation can be if you not found any key properly, then it can be not work.
Okay,
Means we have to find many keys if one work.
okay, fine. Okay, second tool is prepared by you. Fine.
The second tool is Deoxygen. In the Deoxygen, it generates the documentation that we have created, documentation of the code that we have created. So the Deoxygen GUI looks like this. So I've taken the C program over here. The first thing, I'm just going to select this C file. So I'm just selecting that C file. It is in the desktop. We have to select the folder only. So I've selected the folder. So this procedure is for if we want to customize our documentation, so we can add these details over here. For right now, I'm just going to keep it as it. The second thing, we have to select the mode. The mode is going to be the documented entities only, and we want to optimize our result in C or PHP output. The output is going to be in HTML only, and I'm just going to keep this latex off right now, and just going to take the HTML part, and this I'm just going to take the inbuilt classes of the diagram generator. Right now, I have just added all the steps. Now I'm just going to run this. So the Deoxygen has finished the work. So we can see the output over here. We can see the member functions. These are the member functions in the PHP file, C file.
Okay, what is the benefit of using this tool?
We can get all the functions and variables inside this, and disadvantages are we cannot get a proper GUI of just the all the what can I say?
We cannot easily find any functions in this.
Okay, so like basically as an input, you need to give any kind of file or only the C file.
Any kind of the
Either I am just putting any Python file, it is okay with this tool.
not Python, but C, C++, PHP, Java.
Okay.
Yes.
And afterwards, it will convert it in HTML, and this kind of structures are there. So basically, for viewing your entire functions, it is converting it into the HTML so that you can view it, right? So for viewing purpose, this tool is there, is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Generally, like lots of editors are there, so we avoid this kind of tool, but you try out, so it's fine. Okay. Okay, that's it for your Viva. Regarding your PPT, your presentation skill is good. Regarding your PPT making skill, you need to improve it. Okay, whatever the fonts and all those you are using, make sure it should be it looks formal. Apart from that, other things are very good. Your content is good. Like you only put the necessary content in your PPT, so that is a good point for you. Otherwise, students are putting entire paragraphs and entire
Yes.
the case studies in the PPT. So in your
Yes.
case, you just put it point wise. So that is a good point. Okay, otherwise it is very good. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, now
Hel-
the next group is
Hello, ma'am. Can we present?
Monil, your turn is after this group. The 87 and 71, Vachan.
Yes,
86
After
ma'am.
this, you can present Monil. Okay, Monil, sorry, Vachan and Jai. Okay,
Yes ma'am.
Vachan, enrollment number.
86.
Okay, and Jai 71, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Present
So
your
ma'am,
screen.
yeah, ma'am. First Jay will show his part, then I will show my part. So,
Okay.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, your screen is visible. Go ahead.
Uh, so my first topic is about ray tracing.
Presentation mode. Presentation mode. Okay.
So ray tracing is a rendering technique to generate real-time light reflections. For more realism, like shadow, shading, textures. It's usually used in CGI movies. If you have seen anyone like Toy Story or any Pixar movies, the new this image, it looks like it's like a shot on a real camera, but it is created using a ray tracing program. Now the old method, scanline rendering, or also known as rasterization, it's when a 3D scene is 3D scene is created into small polygons, and then it is created into a 2D shape like this, and then it is processed by shaders which add textures, colors, and material to it to create a 3D image. But the shaders do not make it do not result in real shading, or the textures are a bit off. uh, so that's scanline rendering or rasterization, also known as. Now, how ray tracing works? It's when a camera or a you can say it refers to a virtual eye. It when it projects the image, and this is the pixels. If there is a object behind the pixels, it scans it, and it is through goes through the light source, which shows the exact image with the same texture, shading, and stuff. And It is used in as I said, Pixar movies like Toy Story 3. It takes a long time. It took 100 and some days to render the Toy Story 3 movie with two server farms running 24/7. Then now benefits, this was a huge thing in gaming industry. When Spider-Man was released on the PS4, there was a huge hype because of ray tracing was added in it, and it showed like a real-time reflection and stuff. If you seen the without the RTX on, you can see the difference between ray tracing benefits, the more realistic reflections, and scattering and stuff. Now, the second topic is handheld PC. There are a lot of different models. So I took the AO Neo one. I couldn't include the new Steam Deck because I did it further. It was just released like 2 weeks ago. It's pretty good. But now to the topic, AO Neo is a handheld PC, also a miniature computer, which is pretty powerful, can give good frames for AAA gaming. It is a portable laptop with the same power as a computer, and nowadays, like, laptops are pretty beefy because uh, graphics cards and stuff. So this is a huge upgrade for gamers who want to play portably, and on PC games rather than console games like Nintendo Switch or stuff like that. Now, what's it got? It's got a Ryzen 5 4500 with a integrated Radeon graphics card, um, which is good for good AAA gaming. It has 16 GB with 1 TB SSD, so faster loading time with better gaming experience, a 7-inch multi-touch screen, IPS panel with 500 nits. That's pretty good, and it's flicker free. Now, The battery life is 140 minutes for AAA demanding gaming like Horizon Zero or Cyberpunk 2077, and it takes as little as 90 minutes to charge. Has gyroscope for better aiming, and has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 for better multiplayer. Now benefits, it has pretty good raw power, so it can run almost all AAA games. As you can see, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Destiny 2, Watchdog Legion, and stuff like that. And it's a portable device, so it's known as a truly no compromise gaming experience. So, ma'am, should Vachan do this to case study, or can I show my tool too?
Just a second. In the previous case study, what is the cost of that handheld PC?
Ma'am, it depends on the model, but it starts with like 600 and goes up till 1200 USD, I think.
Okay, fine. Yes, you can just show your demo.
Ma'am, so it's on strings.
Okay, so you explore the strings tool, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's a
So no need to give that. Just a second. If you are exploring Elspy strings, then demo is not required. I will directly ask the questions from that. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Okay. So you tell me in what scenarios you cannot use the strings tool.
Ma'am, when strings is usually used in low security because it cannot access the database. So when the password or important stuff are on database, you cannot use strings.
Okay. And what is the benefits of using strings?
Ma'am, previously when we couldn't read Unicode the strings using ASCII standard values, so strings was created to read Unicode strings.
Okay. And whenever you just traverse to your path in CMD, then
Yes.
after which command you need to use to run the exe file?
Strings, then the path of exe, it also has some non also has some parameters, but it's not compulsory for different stuff.
Okay, Jay. Good. Fine. That's it for your Viva. Yes, Vachan.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Okay. Okay, your screen is visible. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. First of all, good morning, ma'am. And my topic is Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin, as we all know, it was the first cryptocurrency which was invented in this world, and the inventor was Satoshi Nakamoto. He invented this in 2008, mid 2008 and 2009. So basically, what is cryptocurrency? Um, it is a currency which is not regulated by any country, and it doesn't work like most money. It is not attached to any government, state, or any central using authorities. Basically means no one like regulates the actual value of the Bitcoin or keeps the record of how many Bitcoins are there in this world. As per speculations, there are only 21 million Bitcoins which are uh, assumed to be mined by 2040 or 2045. So Bitcoin is like a internet currency which you can transfer to anyone in this world. So just let's go with advantages. The main advantage is it has potential high returns. If you invest in Bitcoin, for example, if you have invested in Bitcoin 5 years ago, it was like $40,000, and now I don't know the price. Sorry for that, but maybe it is more than that. Recently, Elon Musk invested in Bitcoin, so the price hiked by almost a double. So that is a big advantage. If big sharks invest in Bitcoin, it goes higher and higher, and more trust is there in Bitcoin. Secondary, the protection from payment frauds. Bitcoin has a very precise and a different way of transferring from one user to another user. It is a bit very complex, but basically everything is recorded, and you also get a tip if you are in that chain of recording the records. Third is immediate settlement. The transaction doesn't take time as bank or any other services. Like if you say, for example, I send the bitcoins to you, it will immediately add into your account. Fourth is international transactions. So if anyone in this world has a Bitcoin account, you can easily share your Bitcoins. There is a various diversification and greater liquidity. So yeah, but everything has a disadvantage. So here are some of Bitcoins. There is no refund if you lose the Bitcoin. You lose. No company is responsible for that. There are also black market activities, as we all know. There is a dark web. So Bitcoins are generally used in those kind of situations, and there is a high volatility and potential for large losses because there is no bank and there is no secondary two-factor authentication, or there is no third person involved in this. If a first person transfers to the second person for exchange of some goods or services, the second person is not bounded to certain things that he or she will provide the goods to the first person. So basically, Bitcoin transactions are mostly made on trust. And fourth is cyber hacking can be done. So as of now, what I think is Bitcoin, uh, the whole system of Bitcoin is very secure, but nothing there is nothing there is in world which cannot be hacked. So there is a possibility that your account can be hacked. So basically, this was a short thing about Bitcoin. So my next topic is Apple ecosystem. So what is an
Okay.
ecosystem? The definition of ecosystem: a community, a biological community of interacting organisms in the physical environment. So in tech, you know an ecosystem. So in tech, ecosystem means various devices of a single company interacting with each other to provide a significant and efficient uh, service to the user without using any products of other companies is ecosystem. And why I chose Apple ecosystem, because it was one of my favorites and I use it by myself. I have I have various devices and I have been using since years. So it is one of my favorites. So what is the plus side of being in Apple ecosystem other than other ecosystem like Samsung has an ecosystem? Ma'am, am I audible, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes. Vachan,
yeah,
go ahead.
yeah. So Apple ecosystem. Why I choose Apple ecosystem other than other? Like OnePlus is growing is its ecosystem since a long time after the release of OnePlus Buds and OnePlus Buds G and OnePlus wireless bands. It is also increasing its own ecosystem, but Apple has been in this market for a long time. Since 1995, the first Mac was invented. So, like, Apple has some kind of basic simplicity. For example, if you use your iPhone, so if you The iPhone is just the base, like it's the main pillar of the Apple ecosystem, which you can connect with AirPods, Mac, your Apple Watch. So, for example, just to give you a basic overview, if you have an iPhone, right, and you get AirPods, so when you get other wireless headphones, you have to turn on Bluetooth, you have to go to the settings, and you have to connect it, right? But when you use Apple AirPods, you just have to open the lid, and automatically the notification will show up on your phone, and you just have to press one button to just connect it. So it takes a fraction of second to interact with devices in Apple ecosystem, but it takes a lot more time to interact with devices on if you use products outer than the ecosystem. So basically, Apple has created a big wall around it, like a play garden. So you just play around the devices with which Apple has created. So they work seamlessly. For another example, like if you get a call, okay, so you have a MacBook, you're working on your laptop right now. So your phone is on in the another room or somewhere else, not with you, and you get a call. So the call will be Apple has integrated software in such a beautiful way that if you will get a call and if you are not near your phone, you will get the call transferred automatically to your MacBook. So you can receive it through your MacBook. You don't have to stand up or anything. You don't have to go anywhere to pick up your call. You just can work on your own thing and pick up a call and end the call. There are very small things which are so well integrated in the Apple ecosystem that people are fond of it. And as we all know, Apple is a like a benchmark or some high standard thing. So many people use it, and maybe not because of it is Apple or it is a high cost device company, but maybe because the ecosystem is so well surrounded, so we can't just get over it. But everything has a negative side. So here are some. The biggest downside of Apple ecosystem is once you get into it, right, then you can't go out of it. Like for example, you have invested so much money in your iTunes, okay, and to shift the whole your playlist from iTunes to Spotify, it is very difficult. Many people like listen to songs. I don't, but many people listen. So basically, they invest a lot of money to listen songs and just have their time. So it is hard. Like for example, if you go in iClouds, okay, so the amount of data you have stored in iClouds, it is very hard to move into Google. For example, I just switched from Android to my new phone iPhone. So I had a very hard time to switch the whole thing for mainly the WhatsApp data. WhatsApp data was like uh, impossible because Android stores it in Google Drive and Apple stores it in iCloud. So there is no backup plan which intersects and you can transfer Android to Apple. So this is the biggest negative side according to me. And more or less, Apple binds you with the ecosystem when mostly it indirectly forces you to buy certain things. For example, iPhone still doesn't have USB Type C, so I still had to buy an Lightning adapter to use my headphones. So there are some negative sides too, but it actually makes money for the company. So yeah, this is basically the Apple ecosystem. So here my case study is over. If you have any questions, please.
In your third case study that is based on Bitcoin, right? So how reverse engineering is applied here?
Mainly, no, I don't have the perfect idea, but mainly not in the uh, transactional situation, But when there is a procedure, for example, I transferred one Bitcoin to you, so there I have one key, okay, like for the transferring the data, I have one key, and the whole Bitcoin world has another key. When two keys like are unlocked, then I get an access to transfer my money to your account. But that transfer is recorded by some a third person, which is unknown. So
Okay.
like there are many Bitcoin miners, as we all know. Bitcoin mining is a trend right now. So
Yes.
Bitcoin, when those miners mine the Bitcoin, okay, basically how they mine is just uh, they record the transaction, and they help the uh, help to do the transaction from my account to your account. So for that, they get a small amount of tip. First, it was I guess about 1/5 of the Bitcoin, like 0.0001 something, and now it has like changed. So maybe like when you do the transaction, the procedure of the transaction, that like might includes reverse engineering.
Okay. And which tool are you explored?
Ma'am, I have selected one of the most famous X64 DGP.
Okay. And when you explore this tool, what kind of difficulties that you faced?
Ma'am, the biggest difficulty was it is the most versatile and it is the most famous one, but it is very hard to understand actually. So there are very
Due to the
different
assembly
vendors.
language?
Sorry.
Due to the assembly language, or what kind of thing that you think it is hard to use it?
It is a bit more complex. For example, I didn't actually go for more options, but as you
Okay.
see, string, okay, it is simple to use and simple to understand and simple
Yes.
to read. But X64 DGB is like kind of headache, sorry, but it is basically for me it was not possible to understand in a few days. And I also searched on YouTube, and there are very, very, very less videos about it. And
Yes.
there's like जो भी है वो बहुत खराब
And
है.
what? Okay.
Sorry.
Like most of the students are facing issues to understand the code. Like you have the subject MLP, right? Right now,
Yes.
MLP subjects that you are learning right now, microprocessor.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So in that you will learn regarding assembly languages. Whatever you are doing, that is called the instructions. Micro instructions are also there. So
Yeah.
when you learn that instruction, then after it becomes easy to understand this x64 debugger. But
Mhm.
right now you don't have any idea regarding instructions. Like what
Yeah.
is the meaning of JNP? What is the meaning
Yeah.
of JMP? What is the meaning of JNZ? Most of the students are bypassing the login credential using the x64, and they are adding the instructions instead of JNZ, they are just going ahead with the JNP. But they don't know what is the meaning of it. Okay, because you are not aware about what is the assembly language, what kind of instructions are there. That is called call and return, jump instructions. Okay, so you will learn this instruction in your microprocessor subjects, and after that, when you use that particular tool, most of the instruction you know, so you can interpret it. Apart from that, when you see the entire some hex codes are there. Okay, so what is it? That's called opcode. Every particular operand and the operator has a opcode, like plus is there. So in computer को पता नहीं चलता कि वो plus है, तो computer कैसे समझेगा? Using this code. Okay, उसका opcode होता है, हर एक operator का opcode होता है, उस base पे आपका पूरा interpretations होता है. And that's why the x64 become difficult to understand, because सारे digits होते हैं, हर एक का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है, उसको हर एक इंस्ट्रक्शन को आपको पहले समझना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि इसका मीनिंग क्या है. Okay, so when
Yes, ma'am.
after when you finish this microprocessor, then you open that particular tool. Afterwards, you will get, I know this instruction, I know this instruction, because you already learned. But right now you don't have any idea. Like maybe you have idea regarding arithmetic instruction, add, ADD, sub, SUD, right? Subtraction. So you are on the basic space. When you go in advanced, then it becomes easy for you to understand. So most of the students are facing the issues regarding assembly language. Okay, fine. Okay, overall it is good. Presentation skill of both the students is good. You can improve this the PPT making skill. It is good, but you can improve it in more images,
Graphical.
GIF. You can put it. Okay, some transitions. You can, like, it should look formal, but it should be look like interactive. The everybody can just see your PPT, like how nicely they just structure that content, right? So that way you can improve the skill. Otherwise, it is overall it is very good.
We just decided to make it
Okay.
simple because we didn't copy or paste anything. We just wrote it by ourselves.
Yes, that is fine. Like I'm saying that it is simple, and that is always simple is always a good. Okay, it's never go beyond. Like when you go ahead with the formal or professional world, the simplicity is the attracts you more, right? Everybody go ahead with the simplicity. So that is fine, but as a learning purpose, you can go ahead with this. Okay, so आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अभी learning phase में है, तो आप explore कर सकते हो. Otherwise, overall it is good. Okay, जैसे आपकी कोई slides है, उसमें अगर एक लाइन या दो लाइन से कोई points है, so make sure it should be justified. जैसे कि आपकी 14 नंबर की slide करो, तो ये कंटेंट क्या करना है, आपको जस्टिफाई करना है, सो दैट इट लुक प्रॉपर. अब आप इसको इम्प्रूव कैसे कर सकते हो, जैसे कि एक पूरा पॉइंट है, तो ये पॉइंट को आप इतना ज्यादा सेंटेंस फॉर्म में मत दो, एक पॉइंट लिख दो, ताकि आपको एज अ रेफरेंस पता चल जाए. जैसे ही प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में आप स्विच होगे, उसमें ये पैराग्राफ्स कभी नहीं आएंगे. ओके, तो आप पॉइंट वाइज ही ऐड कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज अदर स्लाइड्स आर गुड एंड ओवरऑल इट इज गुड, फाइन.
Okay, so Bye is over, ma'am.
Yes, your both the students Viva is over. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay. Same to you. Okay. Now the next group is enrollment number 3078 Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
3076 and 3069 Monil.
Yes, ma'am.
All three are present. Monil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, your screen is visible, Ronak. Go ahead.
Ma'am, good morning.
Yes, Parth.
My name is
Yes,
Parth
good morning.
Edoni and my teammates are Ronak Kapadia and Moni Chayan. Our
Okay.
first one is punctureless tires. Generally, puncture happens in tire because of damage, and that was airflow out of the tire. And if we wanna make punctureless tires, so we have to go to make out make without air. Their tires are available, but they are for experimental purpose. Next slide. Hello. There are some issues with existing product, like they have higher rolling resistance, and so they are provide less suspension compared to traditional tires, and we can't use it for heavy equipments. And the installation depends on the which purpose do you use, and if you ride in a punctureless tire bicycle, you know that they are more hard than traditional cycles. Next slide. Working functionality, like a solid inner hub mounts to the axle that's surrounded by polyurethane spokes arrayed in a pattern of ridges. When the wheel is put to the road, the spokes absorb road impacts the same way as the traditional tires, and the spokes bend, then quickly spring into the shape. Wheels can be made with different spoke tensions, allowing for different handling characteristic, and more pliant spokes result in a comfortable ride with improved handling. So they provide more grip benefits like you can do off-roading without any worrying that your tires can be punctured or can be flat. So if, uh, that's why you don't need to carry a extra spare wheel, and you can get extra luggage. The maintenance cost is less, and they have more durable and have a long life. Next slide. Our second topic was modification in self-made website. So in previous semester, we have created a website through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is our previous website that just shows a specification of the smartphones. So we have created mega menu. Next slide, Ronak, please. That's why through this slide you can select any of the smartphone which specification you want to see. Like uh, we have added an extra upcoming smartphone menu that shows the upcoming launches of the new smartphone, and you can see the specifications. Here are the specification of the smartphones. We have added some features like easy to use, easily understand and easily understandable. We have added high quality images and multiple images, so you can view the product in a multiple way. Most of smartphones are listed in the list, and there are many drawbacks also. We uh, we haven't had a search bar, no option to buy. Take it take too much time because just we have just used HTML and CSS, and database are not connected, prices are not listed, and you can't compare specification of two or more smartphones. All views are included. Requirements needed, like we have to add a navigation menu for easiness to go in multiple any web pages. We have improved background by adding a dynamic GIF images. We have improved layout of specification table. We have added more specification in every smartphones, like processor, the frequency, the RAM type, LPDDR4 or LPDDR6, LPDDR5X, etc. We have decreased the loading time. We are going to list more smartphones in upcoming days. Next slide. We have created a simple and user-friendly website, so our users can understand easily, and they can use our website for buying new smartphones. They can see all specifications are here of the all smartphones, so that can be helpful for them. Next topic is Monique will continue.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Hello, ma'am. This is Monil Sahani, and I today I explain about auto balance bike. The 21st century is a really terrific phase of technology. This bike with its self-balancing technology lets you travel in a way you never believed was conceivable. It's like having a Tesla's autopilot on two-wheel bike. The secret of the self-balancing system lies in the front fork which connect with handlebars to front wheel. Next, issue with existing product. Remember the first time you ride a bike? Do you remember when you riding grabbed a bike for very first time, dropped the clutch and bike take a jar, and engine went off thinking that you were in a neutral. Sometimes we forget the free our kids them and we और हम गिर जाते हैं. The the humiliation of getting your motorbike tumble over is too embarrassing to go right. It's too complex to learn a regular bike, and many people are afraid of learning it or riding it. Next, requirements. Riders have a difficulty balancing motorcycle when riding at low speed or coming to a stop. This technology is too early stage. The rider can't 100% real rely on this technology. We can't put riders' life in danger. So we need to make our technology more applied and more secure, so people can trust our product. Next, improve model. Self-balancing bike is the latest example of the technology. Application areas of this technology are sweeping and increasingly growing. Uh, in this vehicle, we can use GPS, live traffic tracking, and with the help of sensor of speed and other sensor, we can make them more useful. Like you have to add location, and your bike will take you to the place. Next, benefits. The self-balancing bikes have various benefits. Therefore, sure, are a lot of more than just fun to drive. You can use them for anything and everything in your normal life. With this, you can travel to work, spunk around the town, speed traffic, other obstacle, and it take you to your destination if you want. Next, fourth one is create website without coding. Nowadays,
Okay,
make
just a second, Monil.
yes, ma'am.
In your third case study, you are saying that the different sensors are used, right? So can you list out some names of the sensor that used in this improved model?
Them like a laser sensor when someone uh, hello ma'am.
Yes, Monil, you are audible. Go
Ma'am,
ahead.
like GPS and lighting sensor or laser sensor.
Okay, what is the working of laser sensor?
मैम when मतलब हमारा ध्यान कहीं और होता है और सामने से कार आ रही हो और हमारा ध्यान कहीं और हो तो लेजर से हमको बता देता है कि वो सामने से कार आ रही है दूर से और लाइटिंग होती
Okay. Apart from that, any other sensor are used here?
है.
Ponela.
हेलो
Yes, Monil.
मैम
इसके
मैम
अलावा कोई सेंसर यूज होता है? आपने एआई की कौन कौन सी फंक्शनलिटी इसमें इंक्लूड है?
एक लाइव ट्रैफिक मैम लाइव ट्रैफिक को ट्रैक करता है
कैसे करोगे?
वो मैम जीपीएस से कनेक्ट होता है.
फिर you know that na limitations of GPS.
यस मैम. मैम
Then how you should do this?
मतलब एल यूज टू कंट्रोल द बैकलाइट ऑफ एन एलसीडी डिस्प्ले.
Okay, क्या benefits होगा AI यूज करोगे तो?
तो मैम उससे मैम इजीली इंटीग्रेट कर सकेंगे विथ mature or all in one module. and हम लो पावर भी कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं.
किसका पावर लो करोगे आप?
और बैटरी का मतलब चार्जिंग वाली बाइक होगी तो
और ओके, सो इट इज एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल मॉडल ऑफ बाइक. ये आपका
या
जो कंसेप्ट है वो हर एक बाइक बाइक पे अप्लाई होगा?
नहीं तो मतलब मीन्स के ऑटो बाइक या बैटरी वाली ऑटो बाइक और फ्यूल वाली.
दोनों पे अप्लाई होगा, इज इट?
यस मैम.
ओके, बट स्टिल लाइक प्रोसीजर आर डिफरेंट. अगर दोनों को इंटीग्रेट करोगे तो दोनों की स्टेप्स और प्रोसीजर अलग होगी. सो हैव यू गो इन डिटेल ऑफ दैट पार्ट?
वो तो मैम इसमें अभी मैंने नहीं डाला.
ओके, गो अहेड.
ओके मैम. नेक्स्ट
Yes, who will explain this fourth case study?
मैं ही करूंगा मैम.
Okay,
Nowadays
go
we
ahead.
nowadays we are making a website with the coding is so boring, and finding queries is so boring, so we make create website with having coding. Wix is a free website where you can build your website even if you don't know how to create the website using a coding. इसलिए इसका ये फायदा हो सकता है, कोई भी इसे वेबसाइट बना सकता है वो कोडिंग नहीं जानता होगा तो भी. Wix will provide you a website according to your requirements, or else you can select website available in their portal and edit in accordingly. Uh, you can simply create your website using drag and drop. You have to select which type of website you want to create. There are other ways to create a website, but this is user friendly and easy to learn. Next, issue with this product. It's a very product. There is not such an issue, but the product is very heavy. It takes too much time for low specification device. There is no demo or guide available to create a website, so it's hard to learn. You can create a website for free, but for using in a real life, you need to pay a larger amount of money. Next, requirement. There are a number of website available of different categories. Suppose you want to create a website for your real estate business. Select a website of other real estate. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Monil. You are perfectly audible. Go ahead.
We can change the design of the page, replace the images. We can adjust our image, text, all the other stuff. Next, benefits. We can create our website as we want. Don't need to rely on web developers और चार्ज भी नहीं लगता इसे. It's free. We can use as a student for learning purpose. Cause it user friendly and free. We can add and remove anything or product at any time we want. We can change the look and fill our website. You receive upgrade design templates. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, yes, Ronak.
I have selected two tools. One is IELTSpy and another one is APK tool.
Okay, just directly switch to the APK tool.
Uh,
Why you are using one?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, give the demo of this.
In the APK tool, it is used to modify or any change in the license of any APK. basically it is used to mod the any game or any app. Simply, it has a feature like we can decompile any APK or game. Then, if we have a modify any code or mod any features, again we compile it and we can install and we can enjoy the mod. Here, simply we can browse the any app or game. So I have basically Candy Crush game used here, and after decompilation we can get the decompiled file in this folder. In this folder all the source or all the file folder is available. We can, if we want to change the mod or any uh, information in the level, then we can simply modify here. Here you can increase, if you want to increase the move limit, so we can increase here, then save it, and again in the apk tool we can compile and sign the apk. After that we can enjoy this mode in our Android.
Okay, fine. And what is the limitation? It is applicable to all the games or some
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
limitations are.
Mostly it is applicable in all offline games, but if any game has a server or a login credential, then it is not work.
Okay, okay, fine.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it. That's it for your Viva. Okay, one thing that I want to tell you that in your PPT, don't add too much paragraph. What happen when you are adding too much paragraph? It's become habit to read it. तो कभी कभी क्या लगता है कि आप बस read कर रहे हो PPT को. Okay, don't do that. You need to improve the skill. PPT सिर्फ reference के लिए होती है जहाँ पे आप कहीं पे miss out होते हो तो PPT देख के आप वो point को explain कर सकते हो. ज्यादा से ज्यादा जितना कंटेंट रखोगे क्या होगा कि आप देखोगे और उसमें से ही रीड करना स्टार्ट हो जाओगे तो ये क्या हो गई हैबिट हो जाएगी आपको. तो पीपीटी में सिर्फ पॉइंट्स ही रखना है आपको एंड उस बेस पे आपको पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्लेन करना है. ओके, सो डोंट ऐड पैराग्राफ्स इन योर पीपीटी. ओके, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट इन योर रिपोर्ट. ओके, and yes, that thing that you need to keep in mind and try to add more images, try to add like more figures so that by looking to that visual things everybody can understand and everybody can read it for longer period, right? So that is the suggestions in your case. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next group will be like now two groups are there, so try to just wrap up it within 15 minutes so that we can complete both the group. One is the Yash group and Umesh group. Okay, so Yash, Dwarkesh and Janish, start sharing your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Is visible?
Yes, yes, your screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Janish.
Janish, right? Okay, Janish is speaking from my mic. Go ahead. Who is explaining first? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Janish, ma'am.
My name is Janish, and our case studies are Booming, Bumio, then Bedjet, then website research, and the tools are OLEDGB and X64DGB. Our first case study is about Booming, which is an ball for a pet dog. There is a research that about 40% of the pets are feeling alone, and it gets negative mindset and behavior issues for the pets. So we can give them this ball and they can play it, but the older version is having issues like it are made up of rubber and that can be easily breakable. Now the improved next.
Wait, થોડુંક lag થાય છે.
Next slide, Yash.
Yes, ma'am. I have some network issue. It's some lagging behind.
Okay, what you can do, you just share entire screen. If you're sharing a window,
Okay.
then again click. Otherwise, you can stop sharing and again present.
Okay. Okay. I'll try.
Okay, screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Now present.
Now switch to the presentation mode. Okay, now change the
Yes.
slide.
Now.
Next slide.
Yeah. This one or next? Finish.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
fine.
The issues are that it is made up of materials that can be easily broken. Ready then. Most of the balls are chewable for the pets, and if they swallow, then it can create a serious problems. And it is its mechanism is very simple. And if it is lost, then it is very hard to find, and then we cannot get it back. Then the improve previous. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Wait.
So the improved model was first created by the Gomi Labs, and it was also named as Gomi, and it has many different interactive features. If uh, if the ball is if the ball is uh, if the dog bites the ball, then it lights up with the LEDs, and it light up with the LEDs, and it if it falls from his uh, mouth, then it immediately goes escapes from him. Then it is very easy with the application in the mobile, so we can control the ball, and it has the improved version has also the features that if we are far from him, then we can control the ball and make him play, and we can get the data of the pet that what he is doing. Or yeah. Next, next slide.
Yes. Yes. Taking some time, Lord.
Any other group member also can present if in your system it is not properly shareable. So Dwarkesh can also present.
Darkesh, please, sir. I have network issue.
Yes, Dwarkesh, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, your screen is visible. Go ahead.
The benefits, as I told, that it is a full mobile app. It has full mobile app, which will help the owner that what his pet is doing while in his absence. And next is the second. Dwarkesh will
Okay, Dwarkesh.
So our next case study is Lumio. In our day-to-day use, we are using LED bulbs that can today is 150 is price and less per bulb, but that is just
Dwarkesh,
upfront
can you
cost.
be louder? Little bit
Okay,
louder.
ma'am. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Okay, fine. Yes, yes, go ahead.
In our day-to-day use, LED bulbs are we are using, but it's uh, it's a hidden very high cost and due to more than necessary electricity use. The existing product that are available in the market are not made from good quality materials and their lifespan is also short. Issues with the existing product. When we are using the LED lights, many common problems may occur, such as flicking, buzzing, and the bulbs are not bright enough and glare. If the issues are not treated in time, they might cause damage to circuits or the bulbs. In traditional incandescent bulbs uses a lot of energy to produce light, and 90% of their energy is given off as a heat. So we have a improved model. We have a improved model that is designed and created by Max Gunawan. Is a foldable lamp that conceals itself in the form of a hardcover book. So basically, it is a new kind of lamp that is that we can uh, take anywhere where we go. It is a lightweight book. It provides a high output quality lighting equal to many large permanent light fixtures and last up to 8 hours in only one charge. So there are some benefits like Lumio is a strong magnet are built into its cover, making it easy to mount Lumio on a metal surface in many different configurations. It provides rechargeable lithium ion with 8 hours battery life with a constant use, and it's lightweight so you can carry it anywhere, and it's provide a warm light temperature for an eye protection, and it is also environment friendly material made of and high performing technology.
So the third one is the bed jet. As we know that sleep is also as important as nutrition and physical exercises. Now the sleep science says that as we sleep deeper, then we can perform well. Now if we do not get sleep proper, then we cannot do the things well at the daytime. And for the electricity, it is very comparatively high with the normal bed as compared to the bed jet. Next. The issues with the existing product is that if we have to uh, get the temperature cool or warm, we have to do the whole house temperature. We have to that we have to change. But the matter is with the bed only that we cannot get proper temperature from there. So we cannot sleep comfortably in that weather, and that uh, uh, people sitting on the bed, they, if with the different temperature, that comfortable temperature, they cannot get proper sleep. Next. The improved model was created by the ex-NASA spacesuit engineer Mark Aramli. The Bedjet was the first company to introduce the biorhythm sleep technology. Uh, this device is attached with the bed and let you set the temperature of the bed. It also eliminates the sweat and moisture from the bed, which can be very comfortable for us. Next. The benefits of this is we can get relief from the sweat and moisture, and the main thing is the two person sitting there can get the temperature difference. If the one person likes the cool weather, then he can get cool, and on the other hand, if he can get hot, then he can get hot temperature.
Portion wise, you can
Portion wise, we can change it, and the budget doesn't change the feel. That means if we install it, then we cannot. We don't need to means हम उसे अगर हम बेड पे रखते हैं तो हमें कंफर्टेबल ही रहता है, उसकी हो या ना हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उससे. वैसे ही
पोस्टिंग क्या है?
पोस्टिंग
नॉर्मल बेड से तो ज्यादा ही होगी ना, बट अफोर्डेबल है कि
अफोर्डेबल ही हो.
Okay.
And the main thing is that it has the wake up alarm trigger, so we cannot get the noisy if other one don't need to wake up and the other wants to, then the bed can vibrate and wake him up.
Entire bed is vibrate or only the portion?
Means if the one person wants to wake up, then the other one will sleep comfortably and he will get wake up.
Good. That is very good. Okay.
Hello, ma'am. So,
Yes.
Okay.
so for fourth case study, we made on a self-made website called a review website, and this is a review website in which you can see ratings of different movies and web series in a different platform like IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes popular, and it contains all the information about that show. So about that show, including its genres, its rating, its synopsis, short review, and it's about main cast. This first image is a look of our home page, and if you want to know the detail about that show, you just have to click its button, and it will show you the right side image. It will show you including all the information according to. Next. And this is the website's code. The left on code is the homepage code, where we listed all the movies and series, and the right one is the code that we write for each and every movie and web series that are included in our website. Next. And this is the functionality of our website. It is a very easy to use because it has a very user-friendly interface, and it contains the detailed review about the content, like all the short review, synopsis, when it's aired, all the information, cast, and we will also include high quality images of posters that respective movies and series. And there is also that's a feature that you can compare ratings of same movies or series at different platforms, like what is rating at IMDb, and what is the same movies rating at what is Rotten Tomatoes, what is their score, Rotten Tomato score, and you can compare that. And these are some drawbacks of our website. There is no option for search. You cannot search the website which you want to know, and there is no option for users review since it's not connected to database. We only made it as a basic website only using HTML and CSS, and there is also limited movies and series listed. It takes a time to take to load because all the images of the posters and all the connected to online, so it takes a time to load. It takes a data and it's not interactive, and there is no option to watch trailers. Next. And then we improved our website by little, and we add this following code in our page so that user can watch its trailer in YouTube by like this.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to ask.
Just a second, Yash. Can you tell me, like in existing version and in improved version, what is the difference? Like what functionality you added in the improved version?
Uh,
Only
if
just say that one. That's it for your case study.
Okay, so in the previous one, there is no option for watching trailer, and there is also some less movies and series and content. And after improved, we added the trailer functionality and added some more shows, and we also included one kind of side show at home page
Okay.
that will show the all the movies that contains, and it's refresh after 3 seconds. And it will show you how much content we have in website.
Okay. Still, lots of drawbacks are there, like database connectivity is not there.
Yes.
So you can improve it in your future also.
Feature is
SEO, right?
mm,
So that you can improve it and people can use it.
improved.
So make in such a way that people can use it, right?
Use it.
Posting
Why?
and you learn lots of concept if you launch it afterwards.
Yes, ma'am. Since we haven't learned that topic, database and in depth in we studied in this semester, so I think where in future maybe we change this.
Definitely, definitely. So you apply the
Yeah.
theory concepts
Definitely.
with this website so that you have a practice of all the different subjects like database, SEO. Then after, go ahead with the interactive mode. Okay,
Interactive mode.
you will learn these things even in WT subjects. Even you are from MU, right? So you have a like
Yes.
different frameworks also. If you want to
Yes,
go
ma'am.
ahead in that, like React, then Node, JS, then after Laravel. WordPress and all those are very common, but right now this one is the latest one. React, all the people are working on the React. So you can explore that, okay, so that in earlier
Yes, ma'am.
semester you know a lot of things. If you have an interest in this domain, if you want to make a career in this domain, then start preparing and all those advanced concept right now. Okay, so right now you have some time. So you can go for it. Go ahead with some self-learning. Whenever you are stuck, you can ask the faculties also. Okay, that's
Okay,
it.
ma'am. Thank you.
And which tool that you are exploring?
Only DGB and X64 DGB.
Only
Okay.
DBG next 64.
64, that is fine. The first one is
Only DGB.
only
Only
digital.
DBG.
OLI.
Only DBG.
Okay, only digital. Okay, what is the use of it?
Ma'am, the demo do.
No, it's
Demo.
fine. No, go ahead with the only the some of the questions that I will ask to you.
Yes,
That's fine. No need to give the demo, but in report,
Okay.
make sure with the screenshot you need to attach. Fine. So when you can use this tool?
If you want to crack some application password, like simple, there is application and you have to like crack me.
Okay.
And so you can open that application in the debugger, only DBG, and you can debug that file.
Okay. And like it is supporting what platforms? All the code is supportable or not?
Code, it performs almost all code, like Windows. Application is simple application like crack me. There is a crack me website that are available on the platform. If the application is very protected, and then we can't do it.
Okay, that is
It
one
is
kind
some
of limitation.
limitation. You can only simple application you can crack password.
Okay, fine. And the second one is X60.
X64 DGB.
X64
Okay.
DB.
Okay, fine. Okay, overall it is good. Okay, yeah, your case studies are very good, and I get a lot of knowledge from that. So that is a good point in your group. The second one is the presentation skill is again good. You apply that sentence when I tell that previously in the group that don't read the paragraph. So most of all the team member apply that when they are not reading the slide, they are putting their own sentences. So that is again a good one. And regarding tools, fine. You explore the two new tools. You not go ahead with the strings and else, right? So that is again good one. Okay, overall it is good. Improve your, like it is not only for your group, it's for all the students that you need to improve your presentation skill. Don't speak in same pitch and same tone. Okay, you need to be fluctuating, right? So if you are just speaking in same tone, it look boring, right? So if you have to give the presentation of 15 minutes, so you are using like same tone and same pitch, then other parties are not interested. You have to create the interest in that, right? So when you are in physical mode, when you are in offline, and when you give the presentation, the totally scenario is different. For interacting or to create the interest, you can ask the questions to your other parties, right? So that way, all the students, they are physically somewhere, so they just come to your particular topic. So that way, you can create the interest. You can ask the questions. You can do some activities. You can just take the example of any real time like game. All the students have interest on game. Okay, take example of that. So that way you can create the interest. So these are the like basic skills that you need to improve in your presentation. Okay, like presentation ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ ये सेमेस्टर में ही आएगा. Okay, how many of you have a like want to go in the companies? Yes, most of. Okay, तो कंपनी में आपको बहुत ही फ्रिक्वेंटली ये प्रेजेंटेशन देना होता है और उसमें यही सारा जज होता है. जितना आपका स्किल्स ज्यादा होता है, कहते हैं ना बोलने से ज्यादा आप आगे जा सकते हो, राइट? सो आपकी जो स्किल्स है वो इम्प्रूव अभी से करनी है, ताकि जब भी आप कंपनी में स्विच हो तो वे लाइक डिफरेंस वुड बी लाइक वे फार, राइट? सो दैट वे यू कैन इम्प्रूव राइट नाउ. ओके, 6th सेमेस्टर 7th में 8th में जैसे ही आप आगे जाओगे हर एक सब्जेक्ट में कुछ ना कुछ प्रेजेंट करना होगा. सो इम्प्रूव दैट वन. ओके, डोंट टेक द पीपीटीज फ्रॉम नेट. ओके, जैसे कंपनी में जाओगे नेट में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, अपने आप ही आपको बनानी होगी, राइट? सो दैट स्किल्स यू कैन इम्प्रूव. ओके, अदरवाइज इट इज गुड, फाइन. Now, as the already time is not there, so Umesh and Fenil, we go ahead with your group in the next lab. I ask the higher authority and take the permission so that we can extend 1 week, because in almost all the classes, half of the portion is done, half of the portion is still remaining. So I take the permission from higher authority, and the next lab will be your last lab. ओके, उसके बाद आपकी कोई लैब सेशन नहीं होगी. आपका वाइवा और टर्म वर्क भी मार्क्स से वो सबमिट हो जाएंगे ऊपर. ओके, तो जैसे ही नेक्स्ट वीक का आपका लैब सेशन होगा, दैट इज द लास्ट लैब सेशन फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट. ओके, आपने अगर प्रेजेंटेशन दे दिया है, आपके मार्क्स से वो ऑलरेडी इंसर्ट हो गए, राइट? आपने अगर रिपोर्ट सबमिट कर दिया है, आई एम जस्ट प्रोसेसिंग दैट रिपोर्ट्स, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट यू विल गेट द टर्म वर्क. तो अगर आपका बोथ कंप्लीट हो गया, देन इट्स फाइन. ओके, and other students who are absent, जैसे कि काफी लोग absent है, pass this information to them that next lab will be the last lab and last chance to give the viva. Okay, इसका viva end semester में नहीं होगा, अभी ही है, अभी आपका ये subject खत्म हो जाएगा, right? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी मैंने सिर्फ लेने के लिए ले लिया और last में आपका होगा, आपको chance मिलेगा. No, next lab is the last chance to give the viva. Okay, so the students and the group are remaining. Make sure, be ready in the next lab. If you have a very genuine reason, like medical emergencies are there and due to that you are not attending, then you can mail me. Okay, I will schedule it, but not for all, only one group is allowed, right? So if any medical emergencies are there, then I can give the permissions. But for others, you need to be present. Okay. And one important thing that you need to keep in mind, that you need to arrange your content in such a way that you can complete your entire presentation within 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, sometimes I can say that just skip this slide. So you have to just skip that one and directly switch to the main content, right? So that way prepare your content that you can complete all the, like 3 members can complete that presentation within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, because we, like in next lab, lots of other groups are there. Okay, so be ready, and if time is there, then we go ahead with the other discussion if time permits. Okay, so that's it for this lab. I'm taking the attendance. If you have any doubts, you can ask. And yes, regarding report, don't miss the deadline. Already first deadline you miss it. The students whose report is pending, for them, you already missed the first deadline. So make sure by the end of today you need to submit it. Otherwise, your marks will be cut based on your late submission. Your marks will be reduced by 1 or 2. Okay, so you can interpret how much marks you will get. And based on your formatting, it has a mark. Based on your content, you will get the marks. Okay, just a second. TC2A batch. Okay, enrollment number 68, Shubham. Shubham, not there. 69, Monil.
Ma'am, Monil is gone for vaccination.
Okay, 70, Mahfuz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 71, Joy.
Yes, ma'am.
73, Hetal. 74, Yash.
Yes, ma'am.
75, Margi.
Yes, ma'am.
76, Ronak.
Yes, ma'am.
Dwarkesh.
Yes, ma'am.
78, Parth.
Yes, ma'am.
79, Rushi.
Present, ma'am.
80, Rahul.
Present, ma'am.
81, Dhanraj. 82, Parth.
Present, ma'am.
83, Janish. 84, Ghanshyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Ghanshyam, is it the first lab that you are attending for this subject? Do you have any idea what you need to do?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you uploaded your report by the end of today and give the presentation in next lab. That is the last lab, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I have submitted the presentation before the deadline.
Okay, presentation. PPT, you don't have to submit it. You need to submit the report, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
85, Umang. 86, Vachan.
Present, ma'am.
87, Shakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
88, Shan. Shan, okay. 92 series enrollment number 1, Mishal.
Present, ma'am.
Shrenik.
Present, ma'am.
ओके श्रेणी डायरेक्टली आए हो वाइवा देने के लिए?
No, ma'am. Just coming here.
बट आगे की कोई भी लैब में आपकी अटेंडेंस नहीं है. पता है आपको क्या करना है?
Yes, ma'am. Reports बनाने हैं ना.
हाँ, तो आपका आज हो जाएगा. आज लास्ट डे है. फिर मार्क्स वैसे भी डेडलाइन तो चली गई है, 15 जुलाई थी. कब करोगे?
ट्राई करता हो जाएगा.
करना ही है. ओके, ट्राई नहीं, करना ही है.
ओके मैम.
ओके. एनरोलमेंट नंबर 3, प्राची.
Present, ma'am.
पार्थ. एनरोलमेंट नंबर 4.
Present, ma'am.
5, उमेश.
Present.
6, Faisal.
Present, ma'am.
7, Fenil.
Present.
8, Nikhil.
Present.
9, Anand.
Present, ma'am.
10, Eva. Okay, Eva is not there. Fine. Anyone remaining for the attendance? Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. You can leave.
Then our presentation is done, so we have to join next lab.
Yes, for attendance you have to, and even if time permits, then I will ask you to ask question to other groups.
Okay.
So be attentive. I will anytime ask, because today less time frame is there, but in next lab I just give them time, so we have a time, so you can ask the questions to the other group now. Okay.